Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to learn that how you can create account on ChatGPT. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to search for ChatGPT. So I'm going to write for the ChatGPT. As you can see, you have to write in the same way, and now you have to press the enter. As you can see, now you will get two options. If you have already created the account, you have to click on the login and you have to provide the details. If you want to create a new account, you have to click on the sign up. So let's click on the sign up. So as you can see, now we have to provide the email address, but I'm gonna continue with Google. So you have to click on the continue with Google. After clicking on this, you have to select your account and you have to select your email. So I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, now we have to click on the continue option. Let's click on this. Finally, ChatGPT account is created. So click on this. Okay, and let it go. As you can see, the ChatGPT is open. Now you can write any command and you can do your work. For example, I'm going to write that make a letter. So as you can see, I have written the sentence that make appointment letter, and I have written the wrong spelling of the appointment. So after that, I'm going to press the enter and it will generate a letter for me. As you can see, it's writing and it will provide all the details. You can do any action. If you want to make a script, you can do that. If you want to make application letter, you can take any kind of work from it. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the ChatGPT and create account on it. So see you guys in the next video.